everyone, we're going to simplify the following radical expressions. These are two examples. All right, so for the first one, all we're going to do is distribute. What I'd like to do is take care of this first, because if you're not using a calculator, this may make it hard. So what I'm going to do is just rewrite this as square root of 5 times the square root of 10 minus the square root of 9 times 5. So that's going to give us, you take the square root of 9, that gives you minus 3 square root of 5. Because that can be broken as square root of 9 times the square root of 5. All right, then that just gives you your 3. Now when you multiply these, you're going to, since they're all square roots, you can multiply these inside. So this is the square root of 5 times 10 minus 3 times the square root of 5 times 5. This gives us square root of 50 minus 3 square root of 25. The square root of 50 can be broken down as 25 times 2. So that's square root of 25 times the square root of 2. That gives us 5 square root of 2. And then we have minus 3 times the square root of 25 is just 5. So your final answer is going to be 5 square root of 2 minus 15. And you can't combine those. This is like saying 5x minus 15. You can't combine them because our x would be square root of 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, do the same thing for the next one, but we're dealing with cube roots. So I'm going to go ahead and just multiply this through. So the 4 is not under the radical, so bring it out. You know, the cube root of 6 times 12. Plus, pull the 5 out, cube root of 6 times 9. So this simplifies to 4 cube root of 72 plus 5 cube root of 54. Now we need to break 72 down by something that has a cube root in it. So for that one, let's look at, let's see, 72. We can write this as, I'm going to look at the 8. If I have to break it down further, I will. So this is cube root of 8 times 9 plus 5 cube root, and the 54, that's going to be cube root of 27 times 2. Now, that can be further broken down by, let's see, 4 cube root of 8 times cube root of 9. So this is going to be 2. So 4 times 2 cube root of 9. That's 8 cube root of 9. For this one, you can break it down. So we can just say cube root of 27 is 3. So that's 5 times 3. And you still have the cube root of 2. So your final answer is 8 cube root of 9 plus 15 cube root of 2. And that's in its simplest forms. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.